Kitchen cabinets are making your whole kitchen look old and outdated, and you have been putting off a full remodel because of the cost. But what if I told you that you can completely transform the look of your kitchen cabinets for under $200 and a single weekend? No contractor, no demo, no chaos. Just a clean, modern kitchen you will actually be proud of. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through every single step, including the one mistake most people make that ruins the entire finish. If you are new here, welcome to the Furniture Workshop. We help everyday people build and upgrade their homes without breaking the bank. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a project like this one. Let us be honest. Kitchen cabinets take up more visual space than almost anything else in your kitchen. When they look bad, the whole room looks bad. A full cabinet replacement can run anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 or more in 2026. That is money most of us do not have sitting around. The good news is that with the right prep, the right call to action, if quick home fixes like this are your thing, hit subscribe right now so you never miss one. The problem: most people never clean their disposal. They just run water and walk away. That buildup is what causes the smell and the slow draining. What you need: dish soap, baking soda, white vinegar, ice cubes, coarse salt, and citrus peels. The cleaning process: flush with hot water first. Scrub the rubber splash guard with dish soap and an old toothbrush. Pour in baking soda and vinegar, let it fizz for 5 minutes, then run ice and coarse salt through the grinding chamber with cold water. The finish: drop in citrus peels and run the disposal for 30 seconds. It will smell completely fresh. The finish: drop in citrus peels and maintenance tips. Clean it monthly. Always run cold water during and after use. Never pour grease down the drain. Run the disposal for 30 seconds. It will smell completely fresh. Outro: that is all it takes. Clean disposal, fresh kitchen, no plumber needed. Drop your next home repair question in the comments and I will see you in the next video.